Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to uninstall and reinstall your audio drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung audio inputs and outputs. Okay? So kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay select mo lang dito yung speakers audio. And then kailangan lang natin itong i-update. Okay? So kung paano ba yan i-update? So, i-select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then ay kailangan mong i-click dito yung update driver and pop-up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers and browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa kung ano yung option mo na pag-update and then itap lang natin tong search automatically. So, click mo lang yan and makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so ang next step, so close lang natin tong device manager and dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to reinstall the audio driver in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.